Welcome back. So let's continue with our tutorial. So now if you really want your own to have yoke, you have to place a transparent pattern on top of these, then cut it out. Do you get? So but this one we are not going to work with yoke, so I'm cutting it out that way. So this is our center panel. So now I'll be cutting out the side. Don't forget to follow the second line. Okay. So this is what we have now. So it's now time for me to pleat this on top of the pulse point line. So at this point, if you have your paper tape, you can use it and hold it, but for me I'll be using pin. Make sure you are not leaving any allowance there. So I'm done with the pinning, and this is what I have. This is the center panel and this is the side. So now I will trim off the remaining allowance from here. So we are done with the cutting of the front. So you can write your own. You can go ahead and write no allowance so that you will not forget it when we cut it on the main fabric. So I went ahead to pin it together so that I will see the shape of it. So as you can see now, the edge, the place that I removed 0.75 from each side, are you seeing the way the thing faces down? This means that it's not going to show the cleavage of the person putting it on. So now I'm going to go up by 1 inch here and curve it. This helps in making the blouse to have a very nice shape.